And there we go. Welcome back, guys. It's been a while, but we're back again. Somebody went hunting. Go ahead and talk. I need a cap.
Yeah. I went hunting to Dollar Tree. I always love going to Dollar Tree, man. You can always find some cool stuff. We found these Kidrobot Justice League boxes. They're pretty cool. I actually was looking for the Marvel. I'm probably going to go pick up a box at a store that I called that supposedly they do have like 3 or 4 cases. I did go buy the whole case. So
there we go. In total, it's what, 24?
Yes. Those are the characters in the back.
It actually tells you, if you pay close attention, it tells you the rarity of them. I know the lighting. Let me try and get that. Okay, there you go. So if you guys can tell the little numbers, it will tell you, like, for example, this one is, there's going to be 2 of 24, so more than likely we'll run into those 2. You know, the rarest ones is this guy and this one right here, which is, I believe, 1 in 48 for both of them. So those are going to be pretty rare to get. Anyone in particular that you're looking for?
I don't like DC.
Okay. Well, that was cut short real quick. Yeah, for my wife, obviously she's a huge Green Lantern fan, so probably the Green Lantern.
We're gonna give her that discount.
So let's see here, what else?
Dude, it'd be funny if we go through the whole box and we don't even get one.
Dude, she'd be mad.
She'd kick your ass before she kick mine.
Why? I didn't pay for that shit. Why? I didn't pay for it.
What?
Let's see here.
But yeah, I mean, dude, like I said, I found them. We usually get them in those mystery bags from Target. We get one of those small ones.
Oh yeah, that's right. Now that he brought that up, yeah, these are the. Yeah, it's a little like a Mickey Mouse one.
Tagged.
Oh, just out of curiosity, guys. It is way off subject, but I go to the flea market a lot, and I find pretty much that's where I find majority of my caps. So yeah, I don't know if maybe that would be something else you guys would be interested in, to see my flea market finds, because I don't just find caps. I find old vintage video games, action figures, jerseys, a little bit of everything. So to be honest with you, so just let me know in case you guys are interested and you would like to see videos on that. I'll go ahead and shoot that if you're interested. But like he said, these are the ones from those Target bags that we normally open up. It's a Kidrobot. It's like a small little keychain. So if you guys are familiar with those, that's basically what these are. So
let's pop them open.
You got your knife? You don't have your knife. Golly. All right, I got mine. Here.
Who cares about the boxes, dude?
Well, yeah, I know, but still. Hold on, give me a second. You can hear the kids yelling all the way over here.
While he's taking care of the kids, we're gonna bust open this box. Let's see what we get in here.
Yeah, you can hear them screaming. They're playing luchas.
Oh man. We're talking about Raj from that one episode of what is it?
Big Bang Theory.
Big Bang Theory, where he dresses up as
Aquaman. Let me get that closer. Let me see here, right there. So that's Aquaman. If you guys are not familiar with Kidrobot, this is basically pretty much their design. It looks like a rabbit, and this company just blew up after a while. So yeah, they got picked up by Marvel, DC.
Marvel has their own set, and I'm gonna go pick up a box from them, and we'll do another video on that. My son's into Deadmau5. He likes that DJ. They also have Deadmau5. They have certain other characters in there.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
You see, I didn't even know about that. So there we go. We got Aquaman right there. It's my turn or what?
Yeah, go ahead, man.
All right. So
those, I actually looked into those boxes, and actually a case of this is running on eBay between $80 to $129, and I got the box pretty much for about 25. There's a
25 and change, whatever.
25 and change. So if you do go out to the Dollar Tree and you do find these, and you can put it on eBay, it's gonna come out pretty expensive to ship it out, but if somebody can buy it for you for about $120 some, you can make probably like $80 a profit. So me personally, they'll probably be that in the July show.
I got the Flash, and the keychain is stuck in here, bro. I don't want it. Yeah, I know. I don't want to rip it open and break the keychain. There we go. Dude, what the heck, dude? It's like really, really stuck in there. There you go. Yo, the Flash is pretty legit. Looks nice. So, all right, go for it. You want to pick one?
Want to give out a shout out to this guy. What's his name, man? I can't say where he works at, but he works at a grocery store as a.
Really?
Yeah,
it's like one of the biggest grocery stores here in the state of Texas.
Well, since we're not sponsored.
Well, I know we're not sponsored, so we're not gonna mention their names. Yeah. But anyways, yeah, he
I'll
actually.
give you the 3 letters: H-E-N-B.
There you go. Anyways, so yeah, Ryan told me that he saw you there at the store shopping around, and he was tempted of saying hello to you, but he kind of held back.
Dude, if you stop and talk to me, I'll give you the time of the day.
Dude, he's a big nerd, so.
Oh my God, it's Wonder Woman.
Whoa, yo.
Isn't it? Dude, that better be Wonder Woman. Is Wonder Woman with a cape, right?
Yeah, that's why that threw me off. I was like, a cape, like, yeah. But there you go.
Well, we can't do much, but yeah, it's pretty cool. That is pretty cool.
So, it's not that bad.
Yeah.
All
I
right,
thought that'd be better, but hey.
All right, so I go next. I am going to go. You know, I'll take this corner one over here.
We're gonna open all of them, so.
Yeah. So here we go.
Yeah, man. Shout out, dude.
Yeah.
Every time you see me.
Yeah, you can stop him.
If you, as a matter of fact, just because of that, if he likes any of these, he leaves a comment. Which one he is, I will personally take it to him.
Oh, there you go.
Just like that, man.
There you go. Hey, it's a nice gift, guys. Come on. There you go.
Just don't lose it. Oh,
Batman! There we go.
Oh, you know what? I'm actually looking for the Bruce Wayne the old Batman. There's an old Batman here.
Wait, there's an old one? Like from the 60s TV show or what?
Yeah, I think so.
Yo, you lying, bro. I don't see shit.
No. Where's it at?
This one?
This one.
Classic Batman.
Classic Batman. The Adam West Batman.
Okay, I was like, you're full of shit.
That's the one I'm looking for. My son's into Batman.
Yeah, so there you go. Oh, so this one's not good enough for your kid.
He bought like 3 of them yesterday.
He didn't
all
get
3 of them were that same Batman. Yeah, my son was all disappointed.
All right, let's see here. Let's see what you get.
Let's see. Bust these bad boys up. And Jesus, it's another Batman. But that's the Val Kilmer Batman, because he's a little chubbier.
Oh, okay. Let's see here. Yo, like, I understand it's the Justice League, but can you at least throw us a fucking villain every once in a while? Like,
oh yeah, no kidding.
Yeah.
Darkseid.
Oh, that would have been a badass.
Lobo.
Okay.
Well, maybe not Lobo because he smokes and he's really violent.
I still would have gotten a Lobo.
Yeah.
I got another Aquaman. So there you go.
Really, guys?
Here, I pick one out.
You know what? I'm gonna start getting from the bottom.
Okay, go for it.
Now from the bottom, now was here.
All right, so. Anyways, but yeah, so I personally would have preferred a couple of villains every once in a while. Like, you know, Darkseid would have been a great one. Lobo would have been awesome. Let's see here.
Dude.
Well, how about a Mr. Freeze?
Ooh.
Oh, Bizarro. Bizarro would have been a good one. Yeah, especially a Bizarro. Okay, man, I can't get
that looks like Wonder Woman, but.
Yo, this one straight up looks like a monkey. I'm sorry, but Superman looks like a monkey. And then they didn't even get the swirl right on his hair. Like, it looks like he's got a freaking comb over or some bullshit. Like he's wearing a peluca, like a wig.
What are you talking about, bro?
Dude, again, bro? Seriously, another Aquaman?
How many are there supposed to be in a box?
The fuck if I don't know.
Like 10 per box.
There's 2. It's full of shit. I already pulled like 4.
Did you?
One, 2. No, I put 3.
Please let this not be like
the rats.
The rats. Oh my God!
If you guys remember that, we pulled fucking rats like everywhere.
A box of rats.
Yeah. It better not be like that. They would suck.
For $1, what do you expect?
Oh yeah. Let's see.
And I've got. Oh yeah, look. Who the hell is this? I don't know who that is. I don't know that.
Yo, this is the one we pulled from the Target bag.
Booster Gold. No.
Yeah, it's Booster, isn't it?
Animal Man, no?
Yeah, oh, yeah, it's Animal. Okay, so, no, my bad. My bad. So, anyways, the other one was Booster. I'm sorry.
One of the rarest ones.
Nah, it's not that rare.
Yeah. Who is Animal Man?
Yo, what the fuck, man? Now we got the Flash. Again. Alright, go for it. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not too familiar with most of the superheroes. Especially, like, those guys. Like, I don't know who the fuck they are. I've heard of Hawkman, Hawkgirl.
Why did they put Hawkgirl? Yeah.
Yeah, that would be...
Even the just one girl in the box, really. You could have got him. Yeah, it's just her. No, no, or two.
No, there's 2.
Oh,
wow. Okay.
Oh, I've seen that one. 2 girls and about 12 guys. Spring break. Yeah, look.
Spring break 08.
The magician, right?
That's the rarest one. There you go. Bam, son. Okay, this one, I'm sorry, will be going on eBay. So I'm sorry, Ryan. That's not going towards you.
Yeah, sorry, dude. And then watch out. Boom. We got another one.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Then we'll get 2 for eBay. All right, let's see here. You like your shit, I look.
Aquaman.
Nah, you got another Wonder Woman.
Oh.
Yeah, so there you go.
Not really.
Here.
Don't tell me this box is the Wii movement. Not offending anybody, but just.
Let's see here. What about
what's
the Joker? Would have been nice. Harley Quinn would have been nice. Bane would have been nice. That would have been awesome.
Look, that's the one we got from the other one. Remember?
Oh yeah, this is Booster.
This is Booster.
Yeah, that's the
I
one
don't
we
know
got.
who that guy is.
So here you go. Get them. These would be pretty cool if they made like WWE ones. Like
I don't know what they do.
Green Arrow? Green Arrow? No, this is Green Arrow. Wait, is this Green Arrow?
Yeah, it is. Yeah, Green Arrow.
Yo, this shit don't even look like Green Arrow. This looks like, I don't know, dude. This just that is not Green Arrow. I'm sorry.
What rhymes with rats?
That's a fucking that's a bootleg Green Arrow if I ever saw one.
Like what rhymes with rats?
Shit.
Bats.
Here, grab another.
A box of bats.
Fucking shit, bro.
Yeah, I think you're right. They should have put some more. Lex Luthor.
Nah, fuck that. Lex Luthor. That fool would have been all bald and shit.
Deathstroke.
Oh, okay, yeah, that would have been legit. I would have kept that one. Yeah. Green Arrow again, man. Yeah. You know what, Ryan? I'll give you a green.
You want a Superman?
You got another Superman?
You do, yeah.
Okay, well, there you go. Another
this box
Superman.
is really, really not panning out.
So maybe you don't want to go to the store and buy one of these boxes.
Don't want to buy, yeah. Well, at least we got one rare one.
Yo, I don't know why this shit happens to us. Like, we sometimes have like the shittiest luck. Like, look, you gotta understand this. When we shoot the videos, we have the crappiest luck in the world. And then when we don't shoot this shit, we
find the coolest shit.
we pull the coolest things out of the boxes. Here, you want another fucking box? So that's kind of kills me, man. Like we're trying to shoot a nice video, like, you know, oh my god, look, we got this, you know, and then we don't fucking pull a goddamn thing. Just with that guy that he made, what'd you get? What the fuck you get?
The less superhero of all superheroes.
What's superhero? Oh, hey, that's messed up, man. It's Cyborg. This is the first Cyborg we've gotten, so I'm not mad. There you go. Here, you want to pull another? Oh, I got classic Batman.
Oh, I need that.
There you go. Oh shit, sorry. Here you go. Okay.
Yeah,
So,
we're good.
Oh, now we're good. All right. So we
No,
paid.
we gotta get a Green Lantern.
We paid $25, and now we're good with one mono.
Oh, dude, whatever the other one.
What'd you get? What the fuck was it?
It's in the stack of the Supermans. Don't worry.
Oh, here.
They're Batman, Superman are not making another movie. We can sell the pair. Trust me. We can do Green Lantern.
Oh, Blue Beetle. There you go.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, Blue Beetle's not that bad. He's one of those lesser known superheroes.
Thing,
oh, Swamp Thing would have been freaking tight.
Especially because of the movie coming out soon.
That would have been pretty cool.
How many more boxes do we have left?
It's this one and then one more.
Why don't we get your wife? Open that.
What?
That last box.
You already got it?
Because
you already got it? You already got it? There, I got it.
Yeah,
we're safe. We're safe.
I can walk out of your house without getting shot.
Yo, man, you were that close. That close.
You can open the last box. Yeah.
So there you go. All right, so let's see here. Let's see what the fuck we got. Oh, okay, we got another one just in case.
Oh, in case she loses one.
In case she loses one. We got backups.
We got the backup of the backup of the backup on the Batman with the Supermans.
That's horrible. Yo, Deathstroke would have been nice. That would have been cool. They should do one, but a villain.
That shot would have been another one.
A villain one would have been pretty cool too.
All villains. What is it?
Damn, another one. Shit, 3 in a row.
I told you, back up on the back up.
There you go. So we got 3 in a row. Green Lanterns right there.
She loses all 3, yeah.
She's that's her shit.
Yeah.
But there we go, guys. That was the entire case. That was the entire box. Where the fuck is it?
Like, we lost it.
No, the rare one. Oh, it's this one. Here we go. This is the rarest one that we got.
That one and the girl,
that
right?
was number 1 of 48.
Oh, and the other one's 1 of 24, right?
Wait, which one?
The other girl.
The other girl.
This one.
That is her. That's 1 of 48.
Oh, we didn't get the other one.
What other one?
We didn't get this one either, right?
No, we didn't get this fool. Guy Gardner? No, we didn't get him. We got Blue Beetle, but that's about it.
Look, Batman, 3 of 24, 3 of 24.
Yeah, Batman and Superman.
Solid was.
And Hal Jordan. Those are the most common. So, there you go, guys. Either way, that was the entire case. So,
what did we learn, guys?
Don't buy it.
If you find a Marvel one, buy it.
What comes in the Marvel one?
Dude, all the superheroes.
Like you got Spider-Man, you got like all the commons?
All the commons, dude.
Okay, so you got
the only thing special I think is
Venom, Carnage.
One of those is white.
Anti-Venom.
Anti-Venom,
probably.
Yeah, because yesterday I bought it and it shows you who it has. For the box on this was, like I said, $25, $26. I mean, me personally, I bought it because it's a good bang for your buck.
It's not just that; it's content for the video. Yeah. Really, it's something that we can show off to you guys and do stuff like that. But yeah, so we got these little bad boys. But yeah, so anything else? Any other news?
No.
Another 5K run that you want to sneak me into?
Oh shit! No, not right now, man. We're actually preparing for the July show, right?
Oh yeah, I had already forgotten about that. Yeah, we're going. Yeah.
So if we don't get these out,
you'll see them at the July show.
You'll see them at the show. Yeah.
Okay, so but other than that, that's about it, guys. So as always, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and go ahead and refer some friends over. We're trying to get the channel to grow, and we are sorry that we took so long. We've been kind of busy doing other things, but
I've kind of got into my own thing and started training again. So you'll see me out in the ring sooner than later. You didn't know that one, did you?
So what's gonna happen is for the next one, when he wrestles, I'll record it so you guys can watch. Okay?
So we'll do that sooner than later.
All right, cool. Well, see you guys later. Hope you enjoy. Laters.